In today's video, I'll show you how you can remove green screen in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere and we have this sample footage right here with a green screen. So let's say that we would want to remove this. So what we're going to do is that we're simply going to go into effects and search for key. And then you would have these keying tools. So what we want here is either the Ultra key or the Color key. They are both used for removing green screen, blue screen, or red screen right here. So now I'm just going to go for Color key first, and then I'm going to go and drag it here into my clip. And then all I have to do is click here into the eyedropper tool under Effect Controls, click here on the green screen in the footage. And then after that, you want to go for the color tolerance, and then it will now remove the green screen as you increase the value. Now, there are still some green edges. What you could do with that is that you can go for the edge thin so that you'd be able to cancel them out, and then you'd be able to see that they are now gone. And then you will now be able to place your footage in there. So let's just test it out. And there it is. You'd now be able to see it right here in the phone. So yeah, that's how you can do it. So let me just enlarge this right there. And one thing is that I think Ultra key is better. So let me show you on how you can do that. So I'm going to remove the Color key and put in the Ultra key. And then you want to go for the eyedropper tool again, and then click on the green screen in the footage. And then there it is. It is now removed. And as you can see, it also affects the other things right here. So we would need to fix that. How we could fix that is that you want to go here into matte cleanup and matte generation. And in here, you want to go for transparency. And then you would want to reduce this and set it into the appropriate value, just like in the Color key right here. So as you can see, it is much cleaner and it's much faster to use compared to the Color key. But again, this is based on your preference. But the Ultra key right here is actually the superior version of keying in terms of just removing the green screen right here in Premiere Pro. So you want to use Ultra key 99% of the time. It's more powerful, flexible, and gives you better results with these better options. You will only use Color key if you're doing something extremely simple or on a very old system. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.